How to use SundaeSwap Cardano easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on SundaeSwap.finance, how to use a decentralized trading protocol on Cardano. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to SundaeSwap.finance and you will land on this platform right here. SundaeSwap.finance is a decentralized trading protocol on Cardano blockchain. We can use SundaeSwap for different purposes, and I'll show you what are the different features and tools we get here and how you can use them as a complete beginner. Once you get to SundaeSwap.finance, you have to click on Enter App. It will take you here. We are at exchange.sundaeswap.finance. This is our main dashboard, and the first step is going to be connecting our wallet. The wallet you will be connecting is going to be a Cardano wallet. So click on Connect Wallet, and it will allow you to select from different wallets. We have NAMI, then we have Zero Wallet, Flint, Card Wallet. So I'm gonna go with a NAMI wallet because that's what I have. So I'm gonna click on agree and NAMI. So it will open up the NAMI wallet. Go to namiwallet.io, click on Chrome, Brave, or Edge, whatever browser you are using, and you can add NAMI as your browser extension. So I have already added it and I have an account on NAMI. So you can see it's here. It will ask your permission. You can see SundaeSwap want to connect, give access, and your wallet will be connected. So now we have connected a Cardano wallet to our SundaeSwap. We're good to go. The first thing is the home, where we will be getting the marketplace. And here we can create pools and liquidity and check out the different pairs that are already available. We have swap option, liquidity, orders, and queue. This is home, and in home I can click on more to swap and provide liquidity, or we can also create the pools. This is all the information about this pair right here that we have, and there is going to be a small fee taken from the asset swap to pay the liquidity provider. Then we have price here, total locked WMT, total locked ADA, and volume 24 hour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on swap, and let me show you how you can swap from one token to another. First of all, select the token you want to swap from. You can search for a token name here. So I have selected WMT. Then you have to select a token to which you want to swap. Again, you will enter the name here and select that token. So I have selected ADA. Slippage tolerance is going to be 3%. Enter the amount you want to swap. Let's go with maybe 10. So 10 WMT will give me 4.61 ADA. Slippage price impact is going to be 0.01%, and it is around about $2. So this is how it works. I can convert more and swap more. For example, 100, so it will be 46. So this is how it works. I can also switch, and I can pay 46 and convert it to 100. You can select the tokens you want to, so it's really easy to swap. Let's actually swap something to Sunday. So let's go with ADA and Sunday. So I'm gonna actually convert Sunday to ADA. So 100 Sunday will make 5.9 ADA, and impact is going to be 0.01%. So the swapping is really easy. Click on swap, and if you have balance in your Cardano wallet, then you will be able to swap. So this is how it works, and this is how easy it is to swap on Sunday. So you can swap between tokens on Cardano, and this is how you can easily swap between Cardano tokens. Let's go to the liquidity option now, and let me show you how to add and provide liquidity to earn LP assets. Click on provide liquidity, and here you have to select the pair you want to go for. Click on select, and it will open up the token names for you. I'm gonna go with ADA, and here we can search for more. It also depends on your wallet that what kind of tokens you can actually select. So again, I'm gonna select ADA here, and then you will deposit the amount. Just enter the amount here, and you will select the percentage and click on select asset. Before we continue this video, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Swapping tokens on Cardano, buying and selling tokens and liquidities involve a high degree of risk, or whether you afford to lose money or not. So make sure that you truly understand liquidity, you truly understand how to swap tokens, how to buy and sell crypto, then you are good to go. You can get started. This is a beginner's tutorial for you guys about the platform platform SundaeSwap and how SundaeSwap.finance serves you to add liquidities and serves the crypto community. So that being said, let's continue. Here we have liquidities, and you can also select the provider fee. Also keep in mind the values that I'm showing you, the prices I'm showing you, they're at the time of making this video, so they may vary when you are swapping and when you are checking out SundaeSwap. So this is swap and liquidity option that we got. And then we have order. In order, we have on-chain open orders and on-chain order history. This is about us, like our account. If you have any open orders, it will show you. And then we have on-chain order history. And then we have, of course, queue. Let's get back to the home where we're getting all of the options. Here I showed you provide liquidity, where we can create liquidity. We can also create a pool. For that, click on create pool. Again, you just have to select the tokens that you want to add, that you want to deposit into a pool. So you will select both of the coins from here, the tokens. And after that, you will select the liquidity provider fee. If you want to go with 0.05%, 0.3%, or 1%, it depends on your stable pair as well. And it will also show you the tier. Click on select asset and you will be able to add pool or liquidity to your pair. This is our account again, and then we have this menu here where we will get the access to the social media. We can switch between languages and click on this to switch to a lighter mode. So this is our main home that we get on Sunday. And if you want to check information about any of the pairs that you have, you just click on it. Let's open this one up and it will open up the information for you. And again, we're getting all of the different details here. It will show you the price right now, effective WMT price. 1 WMT is equal to 0.46 ADA and 1 ADA is equal to 2.1 WMT. Again, the prices are at the time of making this video. Once you check the price, once you check the yield farming, this is really important. Farming rewards. So you can see yield farming is 22.56% APR. And then you can just click on provide liquidity, swap tokens, or you can create pools with SundaeSwap. It's a very easy to use platform that works on Cardano. Just connect your Nami wallet or any other wallet to your SundaeSwap and you can swap tokens on Cardano really easily. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.